Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial Material Handling Division. I'm here today to show you what we can do for your pick and fulfillment needs. New Age is an aluminum extruder and a fabricator. That means we're going to take raw aluminum, which is primary aluminum, we're going to extrude it to make the exact shape you need. If we need to make a special angle die, we can make it that way. This is a piece of the billet. This is what would come out as the extrusion. This is another one of the dies that you can see. But the final thing is we're going to make aluminum like this turn into this. You're going to use that in your pick and fulfillment carts. This is an order picker cart. This, in fact, is our #1 selling pick and fulfillment cart. It's our 99664. When you order this, you're going to tell me what kind of order picker you have. We're going to make sure that this deck height matches up exactly to your order picker, so there's no trip hazard. We've also been very innovative, the engineers have, and we've opened up this pocket. Instead of having a little 4x6 pocket, we've got a nice wide open pocket, so you can enter in there at a little bit of an angle and go in with your forks. You can grip the oak block, and again, that's all we use is an oak gripper block that is easily replaced over time. It's just a bolt going up the center when you need to replace it. But that way, you've got a nice cart. This one is going to weigh 280 pounds. It's easy for me to move it manually. If you were going to do this in steel, it's going to weigh 800 to 1,100 pounds, and it's going to rust. This aluminum cart will never, ever rust. The shelves are removable. You can take them out. You can drop them down below and just fill this up with full cases, or you can drop your shelves in every 12 inches wherever you need it. We've got the aluminum mesh on the side. We also, since this cart can be used as a staging cart or a put or a pick cart, so your operators can now get behind this cart and push it. They've got a handle so they can move it to where they want to stage the product when it comes in, and then they can turn around and the order picker can come and pick this cart up and put it away. And then the order picker can also turn around and use it as a picking cart in a narrow aisle environment. We know there's a lot of benefit to carts like this. We can put doors on the back. There's a lot of things we can do for you. But when you're ready to solve your problems, please contact us at New Age Industrial. We've got solutions for your picking and fulfillment needs.